Hello cherry viewers, welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Welcome about Sandy Home Recipe. Today you can share a video. Remember to subscribe. Now share. Now like it. Now me notification bell no. Say the video be a better one Sabeka. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. We see a bear ring donut. Me yes I don't know to be na me tasty and it tastes really nice. Nti eno na ye bear. Yes, start. You be use 2 eggs. No abogu ade a ubeye wumu. All ingredients are written in the description box below. Woko the description box na ingredients ni na ho. Webiti. Wo the 1/4 cup sugar egumu. No akoso webiti. 90 g butter na margarine. Egumu na ukoso eden ebiti. O de 1 cup all-purpose flour egumu. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 1 mixing that together. Would they have teaspoon vanilla egumu. 1 teaspoon pineapple flavor. 1/4 cup milk. You are mixing that together. Please, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video we will post. Ode extra 1 tablespoon flour then aka wo hwe na eye liquid too much. We are not kwako bake wo donut machine. Baabedi kan de butter na margarine ayemu ansa na wodi agumu. Five minutes going na web just no ahwese abia na wayiyi na we repeat the same process. Matches in the kind I will share video. Remember to subscribe. Now I share. Now I like it. No me notification bell no. Say the video be a better one Sabeka. Me ye don't know to me tasty and it tastes really nice. You will love it if you give it a try. Now this is our ring donut. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.